Hi, I'm Emily Robinson with the Dion Law Group. I practice family law in Woodland Hills and Westlake Village, California. And one part of family law is divorce. And I get asked a lot, how do I get an affordable divorce? I really need the help of an attorney, but I can't afford one because it's, a $10,000 retainer. And how am I supposed to come up with that? And one thing that I offer is a limited scope type of representation where I can consult with you on the side and help you prepare papers and you do some of the legwork on your own case. And that way we can really keep the cost down and make it a lot cheaper for you. And we can kind of piecemeal the case, and you can pay for the parts that you need help with, and the parts that you don't need help with you can do on your own. And that provides you a lot of flexibility in figuring out what you can afford and how to budget your case. If this is something that would interest you or you'd like more information on this topic, you can contact me at 805-497-7474 or go to my video blog at www.granadahillsdivorceattorney.com.